Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Now click on App Settings. Click on Most Recent at the top and tap on one of those options. In my case, Most Frequent. Then pick one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications and click on the blue switcher next to it. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!